Hey, what's up, y'all? This is your girl Bright Eyes. I'm here with another video. So in this video, I'm doing children face mask, and it is made a little different. So I'm cutting out my fabric, and I fold it, and I'm gonna place the pattern piece on it. And I forgot to cut the folding part. So if you decided to buy my pattern piece, make sure you cut the part where it says fold, and then you place the pattern on the fabric, and you start cutting like you see me doing in the video. Okay, so right here I'm cutting the paper on the line where it says fold, and now I'm placing my pattern on the fabric, and I'm cutting. This part of the pattern is the interfacing that you're going to use to put in the mask. What's up, y'all? So right now I'm just drawing a heart because I don't know how to use my cutting machines yet. They do have the ability to do rhinestones on them, but I don't know how to use it yet. So I'm just doing it by hand right now. So I just want to share with y'all. There's a lot of different ways to be creative. You could print your own designs, or you could do embroidery, and you could also use rhinestones to create masks or anything, any clothing or anything you feel like doing. So there's a lot of ways to have fun with these projects. So I'm just doing something really simple that anybody could do at home right now. So I'm just placing the stones on the heart. Okay, the reason why I'm placing the paper underneath the fabric, because when I use this tool to make the rhinestone stick, it also will stick underneath it. Like it will stick to the table, and I don't want that to happen. So as a protection, I'm just using the paper underneath the fabric. Okay, so I'm just placing my notches on my pattern because, we don't want to spend long sewing it. So that's the purpose of doing it, so you know where to sew. So okay, so I'm getting ready to sew the mask, and just like if you watch the previous video, you make sure you leave extra thread so you could tie it in a knot like I'm doing in the video. So that's about it. Once you're done sewing, you just tie the thread in a knot so it can lay better on the face, so it can mold nicely on the face. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab my wire, and I'm gonna place it on the face mask, and I'm gonna sew the wire on the face mask for the nose part, the nose wire. Okay, so now I'm taking the interlining of the face mask and I'm doing the dart. And if you watch it, I only did one dart for the interfacing of the mask. And just like before, you make sure you have enough thread and you tie it in a knot. And I'm just gonna fold it 1/4 of an inch and try to add top stitch it like you see me doing in the video. Okay, so now I'm going to put the fabric together. I'm putting the right side fabric with the interlining fabric, and just like you see in the video, I'm gonna sew the bottom part of the fabric together. I'm gonna top stitch it, fold it 1/4 of an inch, just like you see me doing in the video, and you top stitch it 1/4 of an inch. Okay, so what you're seeing me doing right now, I'm taking my elastic and I'm cutting about 8 inches of elastic and I'm gonna fold it into the knot. And that should give you about three, depends how big your knot is, about 3 to 3.5 when you tie it in the knot. And now I'm taking the elastic and I'm just sewing on the side of the mask, and make sure before you sew it you back stitch it, and then when you finish you back stitch it again to complete the sewing. Okay, so there you have it. I have completed the German face mask. I have sewn both sides with the elastic with the knot inside, and you can see the front and back of it, and that's pretty much it.